Good morning, everybody. Just wanted you to know how much I miss seeing your lovely faces. I really do miss you. Next week, early in the week, we'll have some kind of get-together where we can see each other and talk. Today, I just wanted to say good luck on your quiz and also to remind you of what the complement of the probability of an event happening is. If you have the probability of, let's say, getting a red marble out of a bag is 25%, then what would the complement be? Remember that the complement is the probability that that event will not happen. And so, since the probability of getting the red marble out of the bag is 25%, then the complement would be 75%. The complement and the probability have to have a sum of 1, or in this case, 100%. Since we're not dealing with fractions, we were using percents. Good luck on your quiz today. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Bye.